Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. What is up, guys? Siggy here, and welcome back to a video of mine because, just welcome back, and I'm sorry, it's been, what, 3-4 months since the last uploaded. I'm so sorry. ah. There's no excuses. I've just been, well, actually, there is excuses. I've been working full time, so I'm tired when I get back from work. So it makes me, I just feel like coming back, laying down in my bed, watching TV, and just relax. But today, Friday, the whatever today's date is, the 13th? No. Friday, March 20th, I decided to go buy an unboxing. And I've been seeing this around on like the internet and at GameStops. So we got to stay ourselves a Funko Ultimate Unboxing box. It's I don't know if it's a GameStop exclusive. I don't know. It's $9 at GameStop, and it has a value of $30. I don't know what's coming here. I might have taken a peek in there from the bottom because it was coming out, as I was coming out of the store, it almost came undone. But I had to like grab like 5 different boxes and shake them, and this one sounded like it was alright. Like it had stuff in there. So why don't we just get started and see what's inside? Alright. So let's open this up. Take the wrapper off. Let's do it like that. Let's do it like that. Let's open. I want to see what's in here. Open. Alright. So, I won't be looking at this. It'll be a surprise. So let's see what's inside. Alright, so. Okay. There you go. So, first things first. First thing I feel is a Sonic the Hedgehog Funko Pop Pez. What? I kind of figured that there was going to be a Pez in here. I never had any Pez. I don't collect Pez. I only collect Pops. But that's pretty neat. Now I can add to the collection. Look at that. Pretty nice, huh? Let's put that over here. It doesn't fall. Now, that's pretty neat actually. 35 calories. Alright. Next item in the box. I feel keychain. Tower Recon Specialist. It's a Fortnite keychain. How neat. Yeah, I think I have like 2 keychains only. I have Mysterio and Night Spider. Whatever. What's it called? The Spider-Man from Far From Home, the dark suit one. But I guess this makes 3. It's pretty nice. Let's see what else is in here. Oh. What is this? Pin Size Heroes Fortnite. Why is this is this a Fortnite box? I feel like this is a Fortnite box. Ah, oh, no way. I hope no. So this is what I got. 2 Fortnite characters by Funko Pop. By Funko. They're the Pathfinder and the High-Rise Assault Trooper. I think there's some default skins. Pretty neat. Collect them all. Cool. That is all you can collect right here. I get the feeling this is gonna be a Fortnite unboxing thing. I'm not a big fan of Fortnite, not at all. I just recently deleted the game because I was so done with it. So let's see what else is in here. And I believe this is the main dish. And that's it. Nothing more in the box. And it's a Fortnite. This is what we got. Zoe. I know who Zoe is. Just Lollipop. I think she's one of the first skins. I think. Or not. I don't know. Anyways, got one of these. I don't know what's the value of this. Let me see. Let's check and see. Let's see. Funko Pop Zoe. I think she's like $10 or $5. Zoe. She is $5. She's worth $5, which is not good, but this is $9. I paid $10 for this. So let's see. This adds to the collection. So $5 for these, for this. Then Sonic the Hedgehog. Is this it? This one's it. This one's $7, which equals to what? $12. So we're up to $12. So that's more than what we paid for. Then we got the Tower Recon Specialist. Tower Recon Specialist keychain. It doesn't have a price yet, but let's assume this is like $5. So what? $17. And then we have this one right here. The, what are these called? Pin size heroes? Pathfinder. Or pin size heroes. Fortnite pin size hero. Fortnite. Let's see. I don't think I'll find it, but pin size heroes. So not that one, not that one, not that one. Alright, so they're not in here, but the average cost for those is $4. So we're at 17 plus 4 is $21. We have a value of $21 here. So we got, what you call it when you, oh. So we got a 20 of, I forgot what to call. What do you call it? It's a term, a specific term whenever you get more for what you paid for. I forgot what it's called. Anyways, this is my unboxing for today. I have more pops actually that I want to show y'all that I just got into my collection. And let me bring it up real quick. I haven't added. So these are new to the collection. Ha ha ha. I'm so happy for these. These were $5 at Best Buy. These two. I had to go looking for them. Around Houston, well, that's where I live, Houston. And there's only a few left, but for $5, so in total of $10 right here. Need to my collection, my first big size pops. And finally, this one. This is my favorite one. I really thought about this one if I should get it or not, but it's really worth it. believe it's 40, no, $30. It's $30. And I really enjoyed it. Well, I really enjoy it. I like how it looks. It's pretty neat. Excuse me, my camera. Sasuke, Naruto, Sasuke. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked it and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I don't know when I'll upload next. No promises, but I was really excited to do this unboxing. And peace out.